another person's personality.
What do you do with a drunken sailor? Make him a captain of an Exxon tanker. That's what you do with a drunken sailor early in the morning. Here's a toilet. Does it look like it works? It's just a hole in the ground. Doesn't look like it would work. It doesn't look like it. Oh, this needs some repairing. Shower curtain? Ah. So what, 0? Oh, you take a shower and the water goes down in here, I guess. Everything's smaller here, you know. If my brother were in here, he'd be hunched back in no time, because he's a tall guy, you know. A tall guy. I better turn this off, I better. Arg. Arg.
That was weird.
What was weird?
I didn't know you were there.
Oh, I bet you thought it was haunted.
I saw the door swinging back and forth. I was like, uh-oh.
You probably thought it was haunted. Haunted by the ghost of Jack Sparrow. Arr. What's in here? Arg! Arr, another one. Another toilet. What does it look like? It's just a hole in the ground. It's a hole in the ground, I say. A hole in the ground. Arr. What is this?
What is that, 2 twin beds down there?
Arg. Yes. What's that?
No, responsible. Like I'm supposed to be the one, you know.
The one that's supposed to ship us off? Arr.
I don't think I'm a boat person.
How about we should try planes then?
Oh,
Planes. How about dirigibles?
oh God, I gotta get out of here.
Hmm.
I'm getting the creeps.
Arr. Arr. Arr, matey.
Whoa.
Oh, you're not going to go boom, are you? Go into the water.
Stop it.
You'd be making a splash
My
if you,
left leg is-
whether you think of it or not, you'd be making a splash. A big
Oh my God,
time
what are you doing,
splash.
Michelle?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm out of here.
Oh, wait. You cannot exit this boat yet. It's too far away from the dock for one thing, and I need to hold it steady. And you have not, you need to come back and look at this, Michelle. Please.
Oh, shit, Frank. That's irritating me.
You know, maybe we should just pass on a boat then, Michelle.